So here's a question on angles in polygons for you to try yourself. So if you just pause this, have a go at the question, and then you can play afterwards and see if you've managed to get it correct. Okay, so the diagram shows a regular hexagon and a regular octagon. So we've got a 6-sided hexagon on the left-hand side and an 8-sided octagon on the right-hand side. Again, the fact that we are told that they are regular means that all of the interior and exterior angles for the shapes are going to be the same, and all the lengths are the same on each shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and find this angle here that I'm going to call Y, and I'm going to try and find this angle here that I'm going to call Z. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say that all of these angles should add up to 360 degrees, and then I should be able to find out what X is. So what we've got is that Y is the interior angle in a hexagon, and we've got that Z is the interior angle in an octagon. So what we know is that the sum of the exterior angles of any shape add up to 360 degrees. So if I say out here, I've got my exterior angle there and my interior angle, which I know has to be the same as Y. And I can say over here, I've got my exterior angle and my interior angle that has to be the same as Z. So if I do 360 divided by 6, that is going to give me 60 degrees, which tells me that the exterior angle there is 60 degrees. 360 because that's the sum of the exterior angles on any shape, divided by 6 because there are 6 sides on a hexagon. And so each of the exterior angles is 60 degrees. So to find out what Y is, I can do 180 take away 60, which gives me 120 degrees. So in there, I've now got 120. And that's the same as that, 120 degrees. Now looking at finding Z, we do 360 divided by 8. So if we needed to, we could use the bus stop method here. 8, 360. 8 into 3 is 0. We haven't used anything at all, so the 3 carries over. 8 into 36 goes 4 times to make 32 with 4 left over. And 8 into 40 goes 5 times. So 360 divided by 8 is 45 degrees. So that now tells me that this angle here, Z, this angle outside is 45 degrees. And so if we do 180 take away 45, that leaves us with 135 degrees on the inside, 135 degrees there. Now what we know is that those angles added together will make 360 degrees because that angle is about a point. So we've got 120 and 135. So 120 add 135 degrees is going to be 255 degrees. And so to find the missing angle X, X is going to be 360 degrees take away 255 degrees. So it's going to give us 105 degrees. That is our solution.